Hey, it's Eddie with National Billiard Academy, and welcome to this new series, Pool Etiquette, and how to use it to gain a strategic advantage at the table. Enjoy. How do you interact with your opponent when you're at a match? Sure, when you get ready to lag, you can either shake hands or fist bump or elbow bump or whatever the protocol of the day is, okay? But you're not required to say anything. Be courteous, but stay focused. When we open this, we lose focus. And if you want to gain a strategic advantage at the table, my suggestion is you wait until after your match to engage in conversations with your teammates or other people in the room, and you stay focused. Many times when I'm in a match, this is my stance when I'm not at the table. And as you can see, my eyes are closed. Well, actually, they're not. My opponent and all of our teammates think that I'm not watching the match, but I am. My eyes are open slightly enough that I can see everything that goes on this table, but I can't see anything else. Stay focused. Be nice, be polite, but if your opponent wants to engage in a conversation, just politely step back. Stay focused on your match. This is the way you gain a strategic advantage, by following pool etiquette. At the Intensive Pool Clinic, we'll show you how to employ these and many other techniques to give you a strategic advantage at the table. I want to thank Team NBA for their help, Sure Thing Billiards, and I want to thank you for watching. Take care.